To activate a Fiat wallet on Crypto.com, start by opening the app and navigating to the Accounts section. Select the Fiat wallet option, also known as an account, and click on it. You will then be prompted to accept the terms by clicking the Accept All button. A pop-up will appear, requiring you to check a box and click Accept again. Next, you will be asked to provide personal information, which you should submit and then verify your identity by entering your SSN and other details. Once your identity has been verified, your Fiat wallet will be activated, allowing you to deposit money and purchase cryptocurrency. To deposit funds, click the Deposit Now button. Select your preferred currency, or add a new one. You can then use the available methods to deposit money into your Fiat wallet. With your wallet set up, you can begin buying cryptocurrency.